This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Want to be close to the lake? Then look no more. This amazing 5-bedroom 3-bath home is only 5 minutes from the water. Open floor plan with remote master bedroom. Large walk-in closet. A separate sitting area in master could be used as a nursey if needed. Separate shower garden tub. Wood-burning fireplace in living room. Island in kitchen with lots of cabinets. Large back patio with covered parking. Detached 30 by 30 shop that could be used as garage. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.